Hi friend, get ready for a fun DIY Christmas project. In this video, I will show you how to take these unpainted beauties and turn them into high-end ornaments for your holiday decor. We will add a simple touch of elegance to each ornament together. Let's get started. My name is Cindy and I'm so glad you're here. I ran into a great sale at my local Michael's and I could buy one ornament for $3.99 and then get 3 of them for free. That means each ceramic ornament was only $1 each. Run to your local Michael's and see if this sale is still on. I used some craft wire, some metallic paints. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. I grabbed a measuring bowl, a skewer. Yep, that's a bamboo skewer. We'll use that. Some beautiful velvet ribbon. By the way, I'll have everything linked down in the comments below if you want these exact supplies. Then I also grabbed some little painter's brushes and scissors. And oh, by the way, I found these ornaments on the sale. They were $1.99. You buy one, you get 3 free, so they were super cheap. I won't paint these here, but I just wanted to point this out so that when you go to your Michael's, you can grab some for yourself. Most of this video is pretty straightforward, so you're going to listen to some music for the majority of this little tutorial. But I thought I'd just point out a couple of things. The skewer is going to be used to hold the wet ornaments after we paint them with those beautiful metallic paints. Those metallic paints come in gold, silver, and then another gorgeous color like a champagne called Steel Magnolia. It's beautiful. There are lots of ways to paint a round ornament like this. This is just the way that I did it. You might have a better idea. And if you do, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your tips for painting a spherical kind of ornament like this. I just painted the bottom half first, and then I hung it to dry, and then I painted the top half once it was dry. I also grabbed my hair dryer to speed up the process. I'm not the most patient person. I turned on my laptop. Yep, I was watching a YouTube video while I painted all of these ornaments, and I just had a blast. In the end, I think I painted about 16 or 20 ornaments. I'm not really sure. I don't remember how many I painted, and I got most of those painted off camera. One last tip about the painting process is that I used my paintbrush in a back and forth crisscross cross-hatching kind of pattern because I want texture to show on these ornaments. So I would put the paint on and then I took my brush back over the surface and I just went in all little directions, making sure that I smoothed out any thickness of the paint. I didn't want it to be thick in some places and thin in the others, so I did smooth it out like that. But once the paint was on, I just went back and forth in all different directions to make a crosshatch pattern. I painted each ornament in the end with 2 coats of the paint, and they did not need to be sealed. There's a sealer built into this paint, so that makes it super easy. All right, enough of this talking. Let's listen to some nice Christmas music and craft together. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And by the way, I wrote an entire blog post for this. You see it there on the camera. I photograph and I video my projects so I can share them here on YouTube and over on my blog at reinventeddelaware.com. Be sure to check that out. I'll have the blog post linked down below. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time, and Merry Christmas.